reverse that. Oh, please tell me I got that. Oh, yeah. Whew. Worried I didn't get that. It was the first time I picked this American lock since I repinned it, and it was rather difficult. But yeah, there we go. Hold on. American lock. 5260. Yeah, I did a little video on me rekeying it up. It's actually a 6-pin. Changed it from a 5 to 6-pin. Here's the key. Doesn't look like a 5-pin key, but it is a, because it's not a 5-pin, it's a 6-pin key. So yeah, my American lock 5260, 6-pin key. It came as a 5-pinner, but I just did a video of rekeying it. Go check that out if you want to see the different pins. They're all serrated and spool, so go take a look at that. Yeah, first time picked it open since then, so check it out.